Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today on Renovation Education, we're going to be talking about cement anchors. I have two very common cement anchors widely used around the house. They're nothing special, Tapcons, another called triple grip. Now the two most common kind I use around the house, Tapcon and triple grip. Tapcon I use for more heavy, something that's got to be strong, and triple grip I use for stuff that's lightweight, like say a picture, nothing that's too heavy. These will hold up to 35 pounds. I haven't really tested it. I don't know. I wouldn't trust anything over that anyway. And Tapcons, they have a pretty strong shear rating. I think these are 2 3/4 inch. I think they will hold up to 1,000 pound shear strength and a pull out of about 800 pounds. I'll post a picture now of the actual strengths. Now, hanging cement anchors into masonry like stucco or say brick, you kind of want to use not your everyday drill but a hammer drill. This is Ridgid's hammer drill. It's cordless, it's wonderful. I highly recommend it. Retails for about $120, but if you wait, Ridgid stuff always goes on sale. It's only sold in Home Depot, so make sure you pick it up when it's on sale. Now, this is not only just a hammer drill, it's also a regular drill as well. It's just got a hammer setting. The reason you want to use a hammer setting on masonry because you want that hammer hit when you're drilling. You can hang these without a hammer drill, except for it's very brutal on the drill bits and it just takes a long time. So if you have a hammer drill or if you're looking to buy a drill, I would recommend buying a hammer drill built in. When you're drilling the hole, you're going to want to use a masonry bit. You can buy masonry bits. I got this for $20 at Home Depot. I'll post the link in the description. All these products in the description. You can buy these, but I like to buy the kits that come with the drill bit itself inside. The reason I like to buy them, the kit with the drill bit, is because these do go bad when you're drilling. And masonry is very brutal on all the bits, so I like to buy them so you get a new one every time you use them. Tapcons. I looked for these on Amazon, couldn't find the actual brand Tapcon. There are a lot of knockoffs. It's Amazon. I wouldn't trust them. I would only buy the Tapcon cement anchors because I don't know anything about the other one. They're on Amazon. They look the same, but I don't think they will be structurally as strong. So for Tapcons, you do want to drill a pilot hole with the bit it comes with, or if you don't have the bit that comes with, you can always buy the masonry bits. Just drill a simple hole in, then put your screw in right after, and you're done. Now for the triple grip, they do come with a bit as well. And they can use these for drywall. I mainly use these for drywall too. I don't use them too much around the house in my basement or any place really, unless I was going to hang a picture. So you do drill the hole. You do put one of these the little anchors in, hammer it in with a hammer. Then you do put the screw in and these will expand. I will have an example of one that's expanded and it just kind of holds it in, as you can see in the picture. Okay, so we're going to start off with the Tapcon concrete anchor first. This is the drill bit that comes with it and my Ridgid cordless hammer drill. This is a little noisy. So it is important to put lots of pressure, and you can tell it is a little dusty and noisy, and you can hear the hammer drill hitting the cement, so that's how you know you're on a hammer drill. And one thing I didn't explain earlier, you can see the bit, how the bit has these pokes on the end of it, and that's mainly how you can tell it is a masonry bit. So once you got your hole drilled, you can go ahead and put in your anchor. If this is just a Phillips head anchor, I'm using an impact driver. That's the way I prefer to use with Tapcons. You don't have to, you can use any drill you want. So let's go ahead and put this anchor in. There you go, easy as that, and it's strong, it's in there. One thing you do want to do, you want to be a little careful you don't over tighten these because it could strip it out and it'll be useless. I do have a pry bar here. Let's see if I can pull this out with a pry bar. Yeah, as you can see, that is in there, very strong. Not gonna go anywhere quick. Next, we're gonna use the triple grip, and this is the bit that comes with the kit. So we got our hammer drill on hammer. Let's go ahead and drill another hole. That went in a lot better. I think that's because I don't use this drill bit and this kit too much for cement or masonry anchors. So let's go ahead and get this one going too. Okay, got our hole drilled. We got our plastic anchor. Gonna go ahead and put it in. Got our impact driver and our screw, so let's go ahead and put it in. Just like the other one, you don't want to over tighten. Alright, so now that's in there, let's go ahead and try to remove it. Yep, as you can see, these aren't near as strong, but I can't get it with my hands. But as far as hanging a picture, this will do just fine. Okay, so the Tapcons are good to use for more higher strength needs. Like I hung my TV, I hung some hanging gardens outside with them, and I've even hung some electrical conduit around the basement because the kids like to hang off them. So those are great to use for a high strength need. The Tapcons are a little bit more pricey, around $15 a box, but that box will last you a while for just stuff around the house. And they do rust. A couple of them outside I have do tend to rust. Now for the triple grips, they are pretty cheap. They're about 15 bucks I think for the pack. They do not hold near as much strength, but they're good for pictures or hanging just random items around the basement like I have brick. I would not use these for anything that's you're going to need strength on or something that my kids would hang off of. I would not trust them for that. And as far as the drills, like I said before, I highly recommend Ridgid's Gen 5X hammer drill. I would not really recommend buying it just out of the blue. Keep an eye on it, wait for them to go on sale. A lot of their stuff goes on sale. I think I got the kit, I got this drill, I got the impact, the light that's being used right now, this handheld light, this charger, and 2 of the 4 amp hour batteries. I think I got in the kit for $400. I'll be doing a review on this stuff later. So for now, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe, like it if you like it, and have a comment down below of what you'd like to see next. I have a few more ideas I'm going to be doing, and I hope to see you guys next time.